Okay, so I've done a fun little experiment. This thing is putting out tremendous heat. We're going to use it in our camper and maybe even a tent or something as well. But I just took the Gas One dual fuel, got it on propane, currently hooked to a 30-pound bottle, and then I purchased a 6x24 piece of round pipe, cut it off at 15 inches, put a 9-inch baking pan, and then a little dual fan thermo-electric fan made for like stove tops, and it blows the air. It's quite nice. And the fan came with a little thermometer. It's currently showing 300 degrees here. You can almost touch the tin on the back side, but it's just putting out just such a nice heat here. And what I like it over a big buddy or something is the fact that I can easily adjust the temperature to whatever is important. And so far so good. I'll put the links to the fan and everything. And so I just notched the metal ducting to fit over the propane grill. This one can run propane or butane. Anyway, good luck.